We're at Easton Walled Gardens, just outside Grantham, and we've just been having a little look around the pickery, which is an area of the garden where they grow cut flowers, but also some veg. And we've seen this lovely bed, which is a new bed they've just planted. It's still quite young, so it's a little way to go yet, but it's nice to see some flowers and veg mixed together, isn't it?
Yeah, we've got some flowers right round the edge, but we've also got in the middle, we've got a framework which has got, looks like perennial sweet peas growing over the framework. And underneath it we've got leeks, young leeks and lettuce, and of course growing leeks and lettuce combined is good because leeks are very slow growing and lettuce is quick, so you've got like two crops sort of for the price of one area.
We've got some dwarf French beans here coming on really lovely, aren't they?
They are, aren't they? Yeah, you can imagine another month's time they're going to be absolutely
quite bushy
full
and full of beans.
We've got some brassicas which are under the white fleece, which have obviously been a little bit attacked by a few pigeons.
Always
so they're
a
trying
problem.
to protect those, but they'll...
Yeah, that's a good tip actually, isn't it? Once you plant them in the early stages, to cover them up
immediately.
So I often find once they get bigger, they're not too bad.
Yeah.
So what impresses me is the soil here. I mean, it's it looks a bit dry on top here, but if you go just about an inch down, just how moist it is.
Yeah.
You can see it's full of
nutrients. They put a lot of
nutrients.
compost back into the soil, don't they?
Yeah.
Doesn't it pay off?
Oh yeah. I mean, you know,
sure, a lot of
that
manure
soil-
goes on, and
Soil to die for, that is.
And behind us we've got a lovely display of alliums.
stretch both sides.
Interplanted with some crimson broad beans, which absolutely
they're
lovely
lovely.
contrast.
Lovely
with
heritage
the-
variety,
with
isn't it?
With the alliums.
Yeah.
And peas
Peas
and
are in there.
beans. It
And
just
there's
shows you can really mix it up with flowers and veg.
There's just bees everywhere, aren't there?
Bees,
Big
smothered in
lovely
bees.
big bumblebees.
Yeah,
So
absolutely lovely.
it's a really lovely part of the garden, and so colourful.
Nice way of growing veg.
Yeah. So if you want to come and see it for yourself, do check it out. Have a look at the website. It's all the W's, visit easton.co.uk.